Rockfon ceiling tiles are created from one of nature's most abundant raw materials, stone. But how do we get from here to here? The journey starts at the Rockwool factory in Marshall County, Mississippi, where rocks, primarily basalt, are fed into the production process. In the furnace, the stone is transformed and turned into what is similar to volcanic lava. The melted rock then flows from the furnace to the spinning wheels, where it is pulled into the rotating chamber by a powerful airstream and spun into fibers. Then, it is collected on a large rotating drum and dropped onto a conveyor. Next, a binding agent and oil are added. This creates a strong connection between the stone wool fibers. The stone wool is conveyed into the curing oven, where any remaining water evaporates and the binder is cured by hot air supplied by two natural gas-fired burners. The stone wool travels through a cooling section. It is then cut to size, with any waste being recycled and reused in the production process. After that, the boards are stacked and transferred to the next stage, transforming the stone wool into an elegant stone wool ceiling tile. The stone wool board moves to the line where it is split, the surface is sanded, adhesive is applied, and front paintable fleece is added. The board is then cut to size to meet the finished tile dimensions. Next, the board goes through the edge trimmer, and the robustness of the stone wool allows us to give it a crisp, clean edge. Tiles then receive a second edge coating. The surface is then painted to give a bright white aesthetic with highlight reflectance to brighten up any interior. Each tile goes through a thorough quality control process before it is packed, palletized, and sent out to our customers, ready for installation. Rockfon ceiling tiles are guaranteed for at least 30 years. Stone wool ceiling tiles create rooms that are acoustically comforting, help limit the spread of flame and smoke, are hydrophobic, resisting mold and mildew growth as well as sagging, are Green Guard Gold certified to meet stringent chemical emission limits, and much more. It's quite a journey from down there to up here, a journey as amazing as stone wool itself.